Hi everyone, welcome back to BeamClue Revit tutorial. So continue on the previous session, we're going to further look into this family editor keys. Okay, what we can do here, we can draw our lines here by using the line tool. Just simply draw lines over here. Okay, so you can also create and then put in some component, let's say other component like family that you have just modeled. Okay, but this one, if you put another family inside this family, will become a nested family. Okay, we'll go through this later on. Okay, then we can put a model text. We can put some text over here. Let's say this one is trial. Okay, then we can put a text over here. It will become a 3D text. Okay, of course you can adjust the depth of the text. If you go to the 3D view, it will look like this. Okay, so let's come back. We will delete this one. Then we can go to here further to look into connectors. Okay, we have electrical connectors, duct connectors, pipe connectors, and cable tray connectors, conduit connectors. Okay, what are they? We can simply try to model some elements here. We can create extrusion. Let's say I'm creating a simple extrusion like this here, over here. Click finish. Okay, this is a cube. Let's say this is my pump. Okay, then I can put in the pipe connectors here. The first pipe connector I can put in to any surface here like this. This is the pipe connectors. Okay, then the pipe connector, let's say the diameter is 4 inches. So I can draw my pipe from here, the 4 inches pipe from here later. Okay, then this one is out, and this put another one, put pipe connectors over here, this face here, and change to 4 inches. Okay, then this is also one in, one out. Okay, the direction of the water flow is very important also. So what is flow configuration, what is the direction, we can go to in. This one is in, water going in, and this one is out, water going out from this pump. Okay, then the system also very important. You need to assign the system, whether it's cool water, sanitary, and or other fire protection or other. If you're not sure, better put it global. Global. Okay, then the flow, you can preset some value here, but I'm not advise you to put in the value here, because you know this is a pump. The pump is depends on the consumption of the fittings. The more fittings that you have used, the flow rate will change according to the fittings. Okay, so this should be in a calculated flow configuration. Means the calculated value later when you put inside the project file. Okay, then the next one, I can go to here. This is the pipe connectors, and then this will be the electrical connector. So click on this electrical connector over here. Then we place electrical connector here. Then we click on the connector. You can select the type of the connection here by here, drop down list. Of course, I'm going to select this power, and the number of pole depends on the phase, number of phase, whether it's 3 phase or single phase you are using. Okay, you can select from 1 to 3. Then whether it's power is lagging or leading, or normally is lagging. Then if you are electrical engineer, you will know all these kind of parameters over here. Okay, then load classification, whether it's under lighting, motor, or power. Let's say it's under motor, because I know this is the pump. The demand factor you can always select. Okay, select the load classification using this space, power. Okay, then okay, now how many voltage? Let's say 3 phase is 415. Then actually depends on your country standards. Okay, some country standards it's 400, 280, the kind of things. Okay. Then a parent load is load of the pump. Let's say is 150 K. Okay. Then the power factor normally is 0.9 something, or you can just put it 1. Okay, it will be tabulated out later. Then next thing you need to do is you load inside to your project. Okay, before that, it's very important step you need to know is I'm going to assign this as a mechanical equipment. You must know that you must tell Revit what kind of family you are modeling. So this is the place where you can tell Revit that this is the mechanical equipment. Then classification is a pump. Okay. Then it's a work plane base or always vertical. Part type is whether it's normal or break into. Break into is if you have a pipeline. When you put inside your pump, it will break into your pipelines. Okay, but normally I'm going to select it normal. Then everything is okay. Then click OK. Now you know that this is actually a mechanical equipment. Okay. Then the next thing is you need to do is normally you need to key in all the information over here. The manufacturer information, model information, URL. Okay. That's all. I leave it to you. Of course, you can add in more parameters if you want. Just click on new parameters. Say, let's say I want the contractor's contact number. Okay, I'm going to put it at identity data on the comment. Then put it at this is a text. Group it under identity data, which is the same here. Then I'm going to put it at type. Okay, what's the difference of type and instant parameters? I'm going to explain it later on. And click OK. Then you can key in your contractor context. Let's say is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, it will keep in your record over here. Model is a pump A. Manufacturer. Okay, this is a URL. Normally it's a manufacturer URL. Okay, so let's see what will happen. So this one is the mechanical water pump A. Then the cost, you can cost 5,000. Okay. Then you click on apply. Okay. Then you can load inside to your project. Save change the family. You can save as the wherever you want. You can go to the here online, take online free. Then put inside anything here. Pump trial. Pump. Okay, then save, then you put it back to here. Then this is your pump now. You have one pump now. So you can, since you have connectors here, you can start to draw your pipes over here. Okay, change to fine. Then draw your pipes over here. So that's how you start to draw your pipe. So Revit can't have matching size, of course. Then you need to draw pipe. They don't have the size that match your connectors. Okay, so basically this is actually, you know that your pump, the pipe size is in metric. Then you don't have reducer loaded inside. Of course, if you want to change, make it adapt, you need to put a reducer over here. Reducer is union. Coupling, generate standard. Reducer. Transition, okay. Reducer. Okay. All. okay. Apply that, okay. Now you can start to draw your pipe here. Of course, with a reducer over here, okay? From a reducer here. Now you can see that's the use of connectors. Okay. Now you can form a system with a flow. Okay. So then the connectors of the electrical, you can connect to the electrical panel. So let's give you an example. Let's say here I have a pump family here. Let's click on edit family. I have a pump over here. I have an electrical connector. I have pipe connectors here. One in, one out. Okay. So this in, this is out, and then all are configured. Then the parameters, I have told Revit that this is a mechanical equipment. Then I click on here. I've keyed in all the information over here, including the URL of the information here, the model, everything, warranty. Okay, that's how you add in the information here. Then just close it. Then you load it back inside to your project. Then you have a panel here. Then you have panel. You have the electrical connector here. Then you told Revit that you have modeled the electrical equipment. Okay. Then this one, you have electrical connector here, and you can actually now you connect your pump to this panel here. Okay. Just click on electrical circuit. Then you click on select panel. Then I'm going to select this panel. Now the system is created. Okay. When you press the tab key, you know this is from one system here. So how to verify that this pump already connected to here? There's two ways. Click on this pump here. Click on this electrical circuit, and you can tell Revit going to tell you that this is the pump that you have connected here. Then the next method is you click on here. You click on the create panel schedule. Use default template. Okay, the pump appeared here. So this is the panel schedule. You have a 3-phase, 3-pole, the tripping, and then the load total calculated over here. Just now all the demand factors are key in here. You'll be reflected to here. Okay, so that's a useful ways to create a family, and then it will bring you all the information, a lot of information for you. Okay, so if you key in enough information, you can even schedule it later on. Okay, so I guess that's all for this session. Then on top of that, you can actually go to edit family. You can continue to draw, like you want to add a duct connector here, you can just add a duct connector here. You can have a rectangular duct or round duct, it depends on you. The configuration is similar to the pipe connectors here. Okay, so once you have the duct connector, you can actually draw your ducts starting from here. Then the next thing is you can create cable tray connectors or conduit connectors. You place a conduit connector here. You can have you can start to draw your connectors here. Let's say it's 1-inch connectors. Okay. Let's look inside, see what happened. So click on here. You have a duct connector over here. You can actually draw a duct from here. Draw aircon duct from here. Okay, this is the aircon duct. If you have a conduit over here, you can also start to draw conduit. Okay. So that's the function of connectors basically. So I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment our video. Okay, thanks for joining.